Consumers today crave unique products. They want items tailored to their individual needs and preferences. This desire for personalization is reshaping the manufacturing landscape. Businesses need to adapt quickly to stay competitive. Custom injection molding is emerging as a key enabler of this personalization trend. It allows companies to produce bespoke plastic parts efficiently and affordably. The demand for personalized goods is growing rapidly. Consumers are willing to pay a premium for products that meet their specific requirements. This shift in consumer behavior is being driven by several factors. These include the rise of e-commerce, the growing importance of social media, and the increasing availability of affordable customization technologies. Businesses that fail to adapt to this changing landscape risk being left behind. In the past, mass production was the dominant model in manufacturing. Companies churned out identical products at scale. However, this approach is no longer sufficient in today's market. To succeed, businesses need to embrace personalization and find ways to produce customized goods efficiently. Custom injection molding offers a solution. It allows companies to create molds for individual parts or small batches. This makes it possible to produce personalized products without sacrificing efficiency or affordability. As a result, custom injection molding is playing an increasingly important role in a wide range of industries. Rapid prototyping is a key technology that is accelerating the adoption of custom injection molding. It allows manufacturers to create prototypes of their designs quickly and cheaply. This speeds up the design process significantly. Designers can test different iterations of a product before committing to a final design. Traditional prototyping methods can be time-consuming and expensive. Rapid prototyping technologies such as 3D printing have revolutionized this process. 3D printing allows designers to create physical prototypes directly from digital designs. This eliminates the need for costly and time-consuming tooling. The benefits of rapid prototyping in injection molding are numerous. First, it allows manufacturers to get their products to market faster. This is because they can test and refine their designs more quickly. Second, rapid prototyping reduces the cost of product development. Manufacturers can experiment with different designs without incurring the high costs of traditional prototyping methods. Furthermore, rapid prototyping allows for greater design flexibility. Designers can easily make changes to their designs as needed. This is in contrast to traditional prototyping methods, which can be very inflexible once a design has been finalized. Overall, rapid prototyping is a powerful tool that is transforming the injection molding industry. Several key technologies are driving the trend of customization in injection molding. These technological advancements are enabling manufacturers to produce increasingly personalized products. They are also making it easier and more affordable to create custom molds for injection molding. One of the most important technologies is computer-aided design, or CAD. CAD software allows engineers to create detailed three-dimensional models of their designs. These models can then be used to create the molds for injection molding. The precision and flexibility of CAD software have greatly expanded the possibilities for custom injection molding. Another important technology is computer-aided manufacturing, or CAM. CAM software is used to control the injection molding machines. It ensures that the molten plastic is injected into the mold with the correct pressure and temperature. The use of CAM software has led to significant improvements in the accuracy and repeatability of injection molding. In addition to CAD and CAM, three-dimensional printing is also playing an increasingly important role in custom injection molding. 3D printing can be used to create prototypes of molds quickly and cheaply. This allows manufacturers to test different mold designs before committing to the final production mold. Section 4. Benefits and challenges of personalized injection molding. Personalized injection molding offers numerous benefits for both businesses and consumers. For businesses, it enables the creation of unique products that meet the specific needs of their customers. This can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. Additionally, personalized injection molding can help businesses to reduce waste and inventory costs. One of the key benefits for consumers is the ability to purchase products that are tailored to their individual needs and preferences. Personalized products can provide a better fit, improved functionality, or simply a more enjoyable user experience. For example, custom-molded insoles can provide enhanced comfort and support for people with specific foot problems. However, there are also challenges associated with personalized injection molding. One challenge is the need for specialized equipment and expertise. Creating custom molds can be complex and requires a high level of technical skill. Furthermore, the cost of personalized injection molding can be higher than traditional mass production methods. Another challenge is the need for efficient production processes. To be commercially viable, personalized injection molding requires streamlined workflows. Manufacturers need to be able to produce customized products quickly and efficiently. This requires careful planning and coordination across all stages of the production process. Section 5. Industries embracing customization through injection molding. Custom injection molding is being adopted across a wide range of industries. Its ability to create personalized products is revolutionizing how businesses operate. From healthcare to consumer electronics, the impact of this technology is being felt far and wide. The medical device industry is a prime example. Custom injection molding allows for the creation of patient-specific implants and devices. This is transforming healthcare by providing more effective and comfortable treatment options. The ability to create devices tailored to an individual's anatomy is a major breakthrough. The consumer electronics industry has also embraced custom injection molding. It enables the production of personalized phone cases, laptop shells, and other accessories. This allows consumers to express their individuality and create products that meet their specific needs. The demand for unique and stylish electronic accessories is driving innovation in this sector. The automotive industry is another major adopter of custom injection molding. It is used to create a wide range of personalized car parts, including dashboards, door panels, and even seats. This allows car manufacturers to offer a higher degree of customization to their customers. From bespoke interior designs to specialized components, the possibilities are vast. Section 6. The future of personalized products, a glimpse ahead. The future of custom injection molding is bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of this technology. The demand for personalized products is only going to increase. This will drive further innovation and make custom injection molding more accessible and affordable. One exciting development is the emergence of new materials that can be used in injection molding. These materials offer improved performance characteristics such as increased strength and durability. They are also opening up new possibilities for product design. The ability to create products with complex geometries and intricate details will continue to expand. Another trend to watch is the increasing use of automation in injection molding. Automated systems are making it possible to produce personalized products more efficiently and cost-effectively. This is making custom injection molding a viable option for even small and medium-sized businesses. The barriers to entry are lowering, fostering greater competition and innovation. In the future, we can expect to see even greater integration between design and manufacturing. This will allow for the creation of truly personalized products that are perfectly tailored to the needs of individual consumers. The ability to go from concept to finished product seamlessly will revolutionize how we design, manufacture, and consume products.